Welcome to Quick Redstone with Malsive, series where we're just going to cover the very basics of redstone components and how they interact with each other. Alright, first thing I want to start with is just showing you how redstone power itself works, and the best way to do that is with Redstone Dust. And we'll look at some examples of how this can be used on a really basic level. Redstone Dust, you can place on the ground, and I've made a line of 15 here and put some other little redstone components on this end. And to show that off, and you can just put redstone dust on the ground by right-clicking with it. It'll connect to itself as you place it along. So, with redstone dust, if we were to stand on a pressure plate, that's going to send a signal out through the dust all along this line of redstone. When I step off, it turns off. When I press the button, it turns on until the button resets itself. From the other side, we could take something permanent, like a redstone torch, or a redstone block, and that's going to power this line as well. They'll power it the same way with full power, and if we look, full power on the right-hand side is a power level of 15. And as we go down the line, that power level is going to slowly degrade until we get to 1. Anything after the 15th will be at power level 0. So if we do this, there's no power on this because it got to 1, and now it's 0. Now, if we were to activate this, this would send power out this way and back that way. So you can power it from both sides if you so choose. But that's important to note how far you can send redstone signal. Also, this will activate not just redstone dust, but for instance, we could get ourselves a door. And that door, standing next to this pressure plate, when you step on it, will open the door. And then when we step off, it'll close. So that's how we're going to use redstone signals to activate other items along the way. But 1 to 15 is our power level. It can come off of devices that you activate or a solid source of power placed anywhere along the line. You could also put it here in the middle and it would degrade as it goes in both directions. But there's a lot of different things you can do. So this is how you move redstone signal around.